Welcome to the JMU Career and Academic Planning Internships 101 virtual workshop. To start, please provide us with some basic information so we can connect with you after you've finished the workshop. You'll be presented with some written information, videos, and graphics. We'll ask a few questions along the way to make sure you're learning the material. This digital workshop should take about an hour to complete. Have a question or need help? Email cap@jmu.edu. Internships 101. Internships are such a fun and great way to develop professionally. You will experience what it is like to be in the workplace, learn new skills, and meet great people. You will also have the chance for people to get to know you and become invested in your success. You can start to understand what you like and don't like in your field and in particular workplaces. This can help you in your decision-making process when it comes time to look for full-time jobs. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of Internships 101, students will be able to identify types of internships they can pursue, to identify search strategies to find internships, and to identify social media platforms to utilize in their internship search. This workshop addresses the following career readiness competencies: oral and written communication, career management, and critical thinking and problem solving. Pieces of the puzzle. Consider knowing yourself and what you have to offer, knowing what you're looking for, understanding your experiences and preparing your job documents like your resume and cover letter, and developing your online and electronic professional image, especially through social media and platforms like LinkedIn. Decisions. Things to consider. What type of internship do you want? What geographic location are you looking for? Are you looking for a paid or unpaid position? Do you need academic credit or do you not need academic credit? Does your major or minor require this internship? When do you want to do this internship? The internship section of the CAP website at jmu.edu/cap covers a lot of great information on internships, including a list of internship coordinators by major, guidelines on internships, and ways to seek out internships. Things to consider. What do you need to be successful? Negotiation in the process of the internship. What else can be provided if payment is not an option? Can you receive academic credit for doing this internship? Who will support you during your internship? Will you be in an internship course? Will you be in touch with your academic advisor or professor? Understanding your goals of the internship. Skill development. What do you want to learn? Professional growth. How will it benefit you in your career path? How do you want your work valued? How will you use your current academic knowledge? Answer the following questions to make sure you're learning the material. Search strategies. Online strategies include websites like Handshake, job listings on the CAP website, other job listing sites such as Indeed, social media, and networking directly with your professional contacts. You can also use on-campus events like career and internship fairs, on-campus recruiting, and networking. You can also target companies directly. By emailing a professional contact or a contact listed on their website to learn more. Search strategies continued. Other job listings. You can use other job listing sites such as Indeed, but sites that are open to everyone will have hundreds, if not more, applicants for every job. This is still a good way to look, but you need to be using other job search methods as well. Did you know that different companies attend the campus-wide career fair each day? You can log into Handshake to see which companies are coming, which majors they're seeking, and what positions they're recruiting for. The career fair page covers how to prepare, what to expect, etc. Handshake. Handshake is the largest early talent recruiting platform connecting employers, talent, and colleges in one place. In addition, it also has job listings, on-campus interviewing information, career fair information, information about workshops and events, and how to make appointments with CAP staff. Check out our Handshake 101 workshop if you would like to know more. You can also find more information on the CAP website under our page about job and internship search. On our website, you can also find internship coordinators by major and job listings by major, geographic region, and general job search sites. Using social media in your job search and looking for an internship. Social media is a powerful tool to connect with professionals, alumni, recruiters, and organizations. Make sure you're making an effort to enrich the content of your page beyond basic information. Make sure your profile and pages are up to date and have appropriate pictures, messages, etc. The brands and people you engage with directly impact people's perception of you and may affect whether hiring managers believe you're worthy of working for the company. LinkedIn can be a great website for learning more about the people who will interview you. You may even find you have friends in common with your future hiring manager. Engaging with industry-specific communities is a great way to connect with other people in your field. When deciding which platform is best for you to use, consider how are you represented on the platform? Which one do you enjoy? And which one has the companies you want to connect with? Networking. Networking is about building relationships and connecting with other people. Often, people exchange information and make contacts that can be for business or social purposes. We do this all the time, without even being aware that we're doing it. You already gather information about teachers, restaurants, the best movies to see, etc. Networking to learn about internships or other ways that you can gain experience is a similar process. You're talking to people and making connections. This is something you can and should be doing. Social media is a great way to start building a network and have a professional presence online. Recruiters expect for you to reach out to them and to ask questions and make connections. Don't be afraid to track down your own leads. Employers like proactive students, and just by asking around if someone needs an intern for the summer, you could end up creating your own internship. Answer the following questions to make sure you're learning the material. CAP's Internship Course and our Unpaid Internship Scholarship. UNST 480. This is a one-credit, graded elective online internship course taught in the summer for any major. You must have an active internship to take the course. Instructor permission is required to enroll. This course is for students whose major does not offer internships for credit, who are offered internships where credit is required by the employer, who are interested in doing internships outside of their major area, and who must receive academic credit in order to work. The Unpaid Internship Scholarship. This scholarship is available for undergraduate students with at least 240 scheduled hours for their internship, or roughly 30 to 40 hours per week for at least 8 weeks, working no more than 8 hours a day. It is open to any major, freshmen to rising seniors, and is not meant to replace a salary, but to help with reimbursement for tuition, housing, food, and travel costs. We require a 2.5 minimum GPA, and students must take at least one credit at JMU during the summer internship. Financial need is not required, but it will be considered. You can find more information at jmu.edu/cap/scholarship. Answer the following question to make sure you're learning the material. Next steps. Update your profile in Handshake. Prepare your resume and cover letter. Practice interviewing with InterviewStream. Attend workshops and events around campus, or attend virtual workshops offered by the Department of Career and Academic Planning. Attend workshops and events around campus or online, and identify 3 to 4 references to provide in an interview. Remember, be open to possibilities. Brainstorm, explore, and talk to people. Utilize the services and resources available to you. Thanks for completing the workshop. If you have a question, feel free to reach out to CAP staff at cap@jmu.edu or visit our website at jmu.edu/cap.